Good morning, children. Now let us see exercise 8.4, sixth question. In the previous video, we have seen up to question number 5. Okay. Now let us see question number 6. Square root of 1 plus sin A upon 1 minus sin A equals to sec A plus tan A. Now LHS equals to square root of 1 plus sin A upon 1 minus sin A. So on multiplying and dividing, because we have to rationalize, because we have to remove the square root. To remove the square root, we have to rationalize the numerator and the denominator. Especially the denominator we have to rationalize, like we have done in class 9th. Okay. So on multiplying and dividing 1 plus sin A, we get what? Square root of 1 plus sin A upon 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A upon 1 plus sin A. Okay. So both numerator and denominator we are multiplying with 1 plus sin A. So now same way square root of, so 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A will give 1 plus sin A whole square upon 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A will be 1 minus sin square A. This is in the formula A minus B into A plus B equals to A square minus B square. That formula will be used. So this 1 minus sin square A is the formula of cos square A. So in place of this we will write cos square A here, square root of 1 plus sin A whole square upon cos square A, because this is the formula of cos square A. Okay. So now both are in squares. You can see 1 plus sin A whole square and upon cos square A. So both the sides square will be removed with the square root. So out of the square root what will come? 1 plus sin A upon cos A. Now separate it. That is 1 upon cos A plus sin A upon cos A. So 1 plus cos A is sec A plus sin A upon cos A will be tan A, which is the RHS. So equals to RHS proved. Clear? Now let us see the seventh question. Seventh question is given as sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta upon 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta equals to tan A. Now LHS will be what? This one, that is sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta upon 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. You can see both the sides in the numerator sin theta and sin theta is there. So let us take sin theta as common. So when we take sin theta as common, what is left here? That is 1 minus 2 sin square theta, because sin theta came out as common. So what is left out? Sin square theta upon, here also you can take cos theta common. So what is left out? 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now this cos square theta, we know the formula, cos square theta equals to 1 minus sin square theta. So here we will put the value 1 minus sin square theta. That is equals to sin theta is upon into 1 minus 2 sin square theta upon cos theta into this 2 into this cos square theta will be changed with 1 minus sin square theta. Formula we know, minus 1, which is equals to sin theta into 1 minus 2 sin square theta upon cos theta. Multiply this 2 with this 1 minus sin square theta, what will get? 2 minus 2 sin square theta minus 1. So now equals to sin theta into 1 minus 2 sin square theta upon cos theta into 2 minus 1 will be what? 1. So 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Numerator and denominator you can see 1 minus 2 sin square theta upon 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Both sides we have numerator denominator 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So both will get cancelled. Now what is left out? Sin theta upon cos theta, which is equals to tan theta equals to RHS proved. Okay. Now let us take 8th question. 8th question that is sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square equals to 7 plus tan square A plus cos square A. Now let us take the LHS. What is it? Sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square. Now A plus B whole square formula we will put. This is A plus B. Then here also A plus B formula we will put, A plus B whole square. So now that is a square, a plus b whole square will be a square plus b square plus 2ab. So that is sin square a plus cosec square a plus 2 into sin a into cosec a, plus same way a plus b whole square formula, that is cos square a plus sec square a plus 2 into cos a into sec a. Now this sin square a and this cos square a we will bring together, because we know the formula sin square a plus cos square a equals to 1. So that is why we will bring this cos square a to the sin square a. Okay, so sin square a plus cos square a plus cosec square a, formula we know, that is 1 plus cot square a, is it not? Cosec square a equals to 1 plus cot square a. Okay, so we will put that value here, that is 1 plus cot square a plus 2 into sin a, and cosec a we know that it is the reciprocal of sin a. So reciprocal of sin a we will write, plus here cos square already we have taken here. So what is left here? Sec square a. So sec square means we know that it is 1 plus tan square a, right? So 1 plus tan square a, formula we know, plus 2 sin a cos a into sec a is the reciprocal of cos a. So 1 upon cos a. So here you can see numerator and denominator sin a will get cancelled, and here numerator and denominator cos a will get cancelled. So now here sin square a plus cos square a will be 1. Now here this one, okay, this 1 plus cos square a, that 1 will come, plus cos square a plus, here what is left out now, because sin got cancelled. Now what is left? Only 2. So 2 will be here. Then here plus 1 plus tan square a, plus here also you can see cos a got cancelled, numerator and denominator. So what is left out? 2 only. So 2. So now add 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2. What will get? 7. So 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a, which is the RHS, which is our RHS. So proved. Clear, children? Now let us see the ninth question. Ninth question is cosec a minus sin a into sec a minus cos a equals to 1 upon tan a plus cot a. Okay, so LHS, what is there? We will write as it is, that is cosec a minus sin a into sec a minus cos a. Now we will change this cosec a as a reciprocal of sin a. So 1 minus 1 upon sin a minus sin a, then again into sec a is the reciprocal of cos a. So we will write there 1 upon cos a minus cos a. Now LCM we will take, that is sin a as the LCM. So what will be the numerator? 1 minus sin square a, and here also you can see this part, LCM is cos a. So what will be the numerator? 1 minus cos square a, okay, which is equals to, we know that formula is 1 minus sin square a equals to cos square a. So we will put here cos square a upon sin a into here 1 minus cos square a, which is known as sin square a, according to the formula we know, that is sin square a upon cos a. Now 1 cos a will get cancelled from the cos square a, and sin a, 1 sin a will get cancelled with the sin square a. Okay, so what will be left out in the numerator? That is cos a into sin a. Okay, so this will be left out. Now move to the RHS part. Okay, RHS we know it is 1 upon tan a plus cot a. Now change this tan a and cot a into sin and cos form. Okay, so we know that 1 upon sin a upon cos a, tan a is sin a upon cos a, plus cot a is cos a upon sin a. Okay, now take the LCM of this side, that is equals to 1 upon, take the LCM, that will be sin a into cos a upon, now what, sin square a plus cot square a, that is equals to, now reciprocal, do it, that is 1 upon 1 into sin a into cos a. Now the denominator becomes the numerator and numerator becomes the denominator, that is a reciprocal. So sin A into cos A upon sin square A plus cos square A. We know the value of this one as 1. So that is equals to sin A into cos A upon this value is 1. Sin square A plus cos square A, that is 1. So that is equals to sin A into cos A, which is known as our LHS. So both proved, sin A into cos A and cos A into sin A. Proved. So equals to LHS, which is proved. Okay. After that, the 10th question. 10th question is 1 plus tan square A upon 1 plus cot square A equals to, within bracket, 1 minus tan A upon 1 minus cot A whole square equals to tan square A. Now let us take the LHS part, this one. That is 1 plus tan square A upon 1 plus cot square A equals to what? Now this value 1 plus tan square A formula we know, that is sec square A upon 1 plus cot square A formula is cosec square A. Okay. Now that is equals to, now change this as the reciprocal of cos and this as the reciprocal of sin. So that is 1 upon cos square A upon whole upon 1 minus 1 upon sin square A. Now take the reciprocal. So that will be 1 upon cos square A into sin square A upon 1 reciprocal. So which is equals to what? Sin square A upon cos square A, which is equals to tan square A. Proved. RHS proved. Now another part in between you can see. Now take this as LHS. Then you have to prove this. Okay. Now take this and 1 minus tan A upon 1 minus cot A whole square is equals to, now individual square do it. Whole square means now each part, numerator square and denominator square, that is 1 minus tan A whole square upon 1 minus cot A whole square. Now A minus B formula we know, that is A square plus B square minus 2AB. So that we will put here, that is 1 plus tan square A minus 2 tan A upon 1 plus cot square A minus 2 cot A. Now we know the value of this one, 1 plus tan square A, which is equals to sec square A formula, minus 2 tan A upon 1 plus cot square A formula also, cosec square A you know. So that will be cosec square A minus 2 cot A. Now after that change everything into this sec, tan, cosec and cot, all into sin and cos form. Okay. So sec square is the reciprocal of cos square A. So that will be 1 upon cos square A minus 2 into tan. Tan will be in the form of sin and cos will be what? Sin A upon cos A whole upon 1 minus cosec square A will be reciprocal of sin A, sin square A. So 1 upon sin square A minus 2 into cot A will be cos A upon sin A. Now take the LCM, what it will be? Cos square A. So numerator will be what? 1 minus 2 into sin A into cos A. Whole denominator what it will be? That is sin square A. Here you can see cos square, this side we have taken. Okay, this in between these two, what is that LCM? Sin square A whole upon 1 minus 2 sin A into cos A. Now we will take the reciprocal of this. So that will be 1 minus 2 sin A into cos A, this part. Okay, sin A into cos A whole upon cos square A into, now reciprocal, this will go up, denominator becomes the numerator and then numerator becomes the denominator. So sin square A upon 1 minus 2 sin A into cos A. So we can see both the sides numerators what we have, numerator and denominator. 1 minus 2 sin A into cos A. Here also 1 minus 2 sin A into cos A. Both gets cancelled. Now what is left out? Sin square A upon cos square A, which is known as tan square A. So proved again RHS. So proved, hence proved. Okay. Now these are the 5 extra questions which you have to solve. Homework questions. Okay. Prove the following trigonometric identities. What is that first one? Square root of 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. This type of question one we did already, that is in the form of sine. Remember, likewise only you have to solve this to get the answer. Okay. Then second one, sine square a plus 1 upon 1 plus tan square a. So this one's formula we know, 1 plus tan square a is the sec square a, and sec square 1 upon sec square a means what? Reciprocal of sec square a is cos square a. So cos square a, so value will be 1. Already hint I am giving you. You have to solve of your own. This also by rationalization do it and find. And then here also all you change into sine and cos form, and then solve, you will get 0. And then this one also in the form of sine and cos and solve, you will get the answer as 1. Okay, solve these questions as homework questions. In your fair copy only you will solve these questions. Okay, thank you. Now let us see one extra question, that is from R.D. Sharma. 1 upon cosec a minus cot a minus 1 upon sin a equals to 1 upon sin a minus 1 upon cosec a plus cot a. That means we have to prove from LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS. We have to prove this. Okay. Now let us take first the LHS, that is equals to cosec a minus cot a, which is given here, same we are writing, minus 1 upon sin a. Okay. Now we will do rationalization, means with the plus sign we will multiply and divide in the numerator and denominator. That is 1 upon cosec a minus cot a into, that is cosec a plus cot a upon cosec a plus cot a minus 1 upon sin a, which is equals to what? Now numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. So this will be 1 into cosec a plus cot a upon cosec a minus cot a into cosec a plus cot a minus, this you know reciprocal of sin a will be what? Cosec a. So we will write here cosec a. Now which is equals to, now write this, multiply with 1. So you will get the same value, that is cosec a plus cot a upon a minus b into a plus b. What is the formula? That is a square minus b square. So it will be cos square a, cosec square a minus cot square a minus cosec a. So now we know the value of this one is 1. Formulas I gave you, in that what was that? Cosec square a minus cot square a equals to 1. So that will be cosec a plus cot a upon 1 minus cosec a, which is equals to what? Cosec a plus cot a minus cosec a, cancel. So what I will get? Cot a. But we know that RHS is not likewise. So again we will also start from RHS side. Okay, start proving from RHS, we will get the same value here. Okay, so now take RHS as 1 upon sin a minus 1 upon cosec a plus cot a. Okay, now again we will rationalize this part, that is 1 upon sin a minus 1 upon cosec a plus cot a into cosec a minus cot a upon cosec a minus cot a. Rationalization means the opposite sign of this one will multiply and divide in the numerator and denominator. So that will be, this one reciprocal of sin a will be what? Cosec a. So it will be cosec A minus this multiply with the numerator and denominator with denominator. Cosec A minus cot A whole upon cosec A plus cot A into cosec A minus cot A. Okay, so now cosec A minus multiply the numerator with that 1, so it will be same cosec A minus cot A within bracket. This is A plus B into A minus B, so A square minus B square, so it will be cosec square A minus cot square A. Again we know the value of this one as 1 in the formula we have seen, so what it will be cosec A minus cosec A minus cot A upon 1, which is equals to what, cosec A minus of cosec A minus cot A, which is equals to multiply with the sign, so what you will get cosec A minus cosec A plus cot A, cancel, so what you will get cot A, which is again you can see the LHS also we got the same, so that is equals to LHS, hence proved. Clear, understood? Likewise few questions from R.D. Sharma also you people have to solve. If you have any doubt you can ask me. Okay, thank you.